Welcome back, Total Sense families. Today we're exploring an essential tool in our financial protection arsenal, umbrella insurance. It's a concept that might seem complex, but it's crucial for safeguarding our futures and teaching our kids the value of preparedness. In life's unpredictable journey, accidents will happen, which sometimes leads to costly consequences. Imagine an accident on your property or a car accident that results in expenses that far exceed the limits of your standard insurance policies. This is where umbrella insurance becomes crucial. What is it? This insurance serves as an additional layer of liability protection that activates when the limits of one's primary insurance policies, like your auto, homeowners, or renter's insurance, are exceeded. In today's increasingly litigious society, umbrella insurance offers peace of mind by covering the excess costs that go beyond your standard policy limits. So what's covered? Well, three things: bodily injury, which includes expenses related to injuries to others for which you're responsible, such as medical bills or liability claims. Next, property damage. This covers the costs associated with damage to another person's property, including incidents like car accidents to luxury vehicles, or maybe accidental damage to a neighbor's home. And third is what I call personal liability. This would cover claims that your standard policies might not, such as libel and slander or invasion of privacy. It's important to understand the limitations of what it doesn't cover. For example, first, damage to your own property, such as your own home or vehicle. Second, punitive damages awarded by courts for negligent or illegal actions. And third, business-related claims, necessitating a separate commercial umbrella policy for adequate protection. So how does it work? It kicks in once you've reached the liability limits of your existing policies. Let me give you an example. If you were in a major car accident and the damage exceeds your auto insurance liability coverage, your umbrella policy would kick in and cover the additional costs, protecting your personal assets from being used to pay for those excess liabilities. So who needs it? Well, it's beneficial for anyone with assets that could be at risk in a lawsuit or those seeking just additional peace of mind beyond their existing insurance coverage. This includes your homeowners, renters, parents of teen drivers, pet owners, and people with significant assets or savings. It's particularly recommended if your assets exceed your liability coverage limits for your current policies. How much coverage do you need? Well, determining the right amount of coverage in assessing your assets and liabilities and future potential assets, a common guideline to use is to use a policy that at least matches or exceeds your net worth. However, you might want to consider potentially increases in your net worth or income and opt for a higher limit to provide additional security and flexibility down the line. And that's it. When reviewing your insurance portfolio, umbrella coverage plays an important role in protecting your other assets and gives you an added layer of protection for all of those unexpecteds that can and do occur.